In this video, we will show you how to download the thermal printer driver for Windows. Let's get started. You can get the driver link directly by scanning the QR code on the printer. Simply scan the QR code and follow the link to access the driver. Alternatively, you can visit printernoble.com by typing it into your browser search bar. Once on the website, go to the Apps and Help section. Scroll down and find your printer series name. Click Read More, and you'll find everything you need, including the Windows driver, Mac driver, mobile app, and user manual. Now let's download the Windows driver. Click the Download button. Wait for the download to complete, and then locate the driver in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation. If you see a Windows Protected Your PC pop-up, click More Info, then click Run Anyway. Follow the on-screen prompts. Click Next, then Install, and finally, click Finish. After that, the Grozziie installer will open automatically. Now connect the printer to a power source and turn it on by pressing and holding the power button. Then, plug the USB cable into the printer and connect the other end to your Windows computer. On your computer screen, make sure Auto is selected, then click the Search button. The printer name will appear. Select it and click Next to start the printer configuration. Make sure your computer is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to use for printing. You will see the available Wi-Fi names here. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to use for printing. Enter the Wi-Fi password, then click Next. The printer will turn off automatically. Please restart the printer, and it will begin configuring automatically. If you see a Windows security pop-up asking, "Would you like to install this device software?" click Install. Once the installation is complete, your printer is successfully set up. Your printer is ready to print wirelessly using Wi-Fi. Now let's print a document. Now insert roll paper or folded paper into the printer and close the printer lid. The printer will automatically feed the paper to adjust it to the proper position. Once you've done that, your printer is ready to print. Open the document with Google Chrome and click on the print icon. Then select the printer name. You can also adjust the printing settings here. Make sure your computer and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you're ready, click Print to print the document. The printer will print your document smoothly.